All right, Phil here. I got Tim from Arizona Video Electronics, the VCR repair guru here next to me. So what are you thinking? What do you think I'm going to open up here?
Stickers all over the tapes.
Okay, you ready? Drum roll. Drum roll. Hey! Oh, God. Every single one of them. And this chap got... oh, look, there's not a sticker on that one.
Sticker?
Huh. But he was empty-handed, and they charged his credit card, and they fought him on the credit card bill. And he tried to charge it back. They fought him, and they won.
Oh. Jeez.
I know.
It's awful.
Some of them, to be fair, I did look at them, and they do have a little bit of mold on them, and they have got sticky tape syndrome, which is fixable. But, I mean, to keep the money, regardless.
Keep the money and then put stickers all over them like that. Oh,
it's gross, isn't it?
that's ridiculous.
Anyway, stay tuned.
I'll see you.
All right, see you later, Tim.